A wise man once said, if you eat 3 times a day, by the way, I'm hungry. If you eat 3 times a day, you'll be fed. But if you learn 3 times a day, you'll be wise.
Oh, thanks for this awesome
video. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking and creator of the Confident Speaker Conference and the Balanced Life Mastermind. And here's the thing, a wise man once said that if you eat 3 times a day, you'll be fed. You know, most people in India eat more than 3 times. They start with a pre-breakfast, then a little bit of breakfast, then something around at 11 a.m., then a lunch, then something at around 4 p.m., you know, have some sutta break and some coffee break and some cookie break and what break. And then they have something after coming home, something to munch on, and then the dinner, then the dessert, anyway. So they have a lot of different food. But the thing is, the question I have for you is, are you giving enough food to your mind and to your spirit? Right? You're giving enough food to your body, which is awesome. But are you giving enough food to your mind and spirit? So there are 3 ways that I recommend people to learn. So if you read, that's fine, but there are 3 different ways for you to actually learn and grow. So number 1 is resource. These are like books and audio programs, DVD programs, resource that you study in order to learn from somebody else's information. That's great. Second is learn from your experience. So every single day when you have experiences in the office, at the bus stop, in your car, you know, at your home after coming, when your kids hug you, what you're learning, write them down in a journal. You know, one of the things I teach people in our mastermind is exactly how to journal so you can anchor those learnings that your life is giving you every single day and I will turn them into wisdom. So that's the second. So first, learn from resources. Second, learn from experience. And third, learn from mentors. Mentors. You need to have a mentor. You have a mentor, right? I mean, most successful professionals have a personal mentor. I'm not talking about you having watching a YouTube video, which you are doing, which is awesome, but I'm talking about having access. For example, people come to the Balanced Life Mastermind because they want to have access to me, or they come to the Confident Speaker Conference because they want to learn directly from me as their mentor, which is awesome, and you want that, right? So you want to learn from great mentors. So learn from resources, learn from experiences, and learn from mentors. And I do that every single day, and that's why the results that I get to enjoy in my life is because I get to enjoy those results because of my habits of learning 3 times a day. I learn from resources, I learn from experiences, and I learn from mentors. And I can tell you right now, if you're not where you want to be, it's because you're not learning one of those things. You're either not learning resources, you're not learning from experience, or you're not learning from mentors. When you combine them both, I can tell you in the next 12 months, you're going to elevate your confidence, elevate your income and your happiness to the next level.
Who are you? Who are you?
That's my tip for you right now. Hey, before you go, can I ask for a quick favor? Yes? All right. Why don't you just go below and there is a subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, and there is a small little bell icon. Just click on that so next time I upload a video, you can get a notification that, hey, your mentor Bishal Sarkar just uploaded a video. Go watch it to take your life to the next level. Okay, so I want that for you. Just subscribe to the button right now, and next time I upload a video, it's going to be all about how to become a better speaker and exactly how to communicate more often. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.